Good morning. I am Dr. Nilanjan Mukhopadhyay, Associate Professor and Lecturer of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Global Institute of Management and Technology. Welcome to our Communication Lab. So in our Communication Lab, we have optical fiber communication section, digital communication section, and analog communication section. So starting with optical fiber communication system. So in our optical fiber communication system, we have a laser communication trainer kit. Here, this is the transmitter section and this is the receiver sections. In the receiver sections, we have phototransistor as the receiver. From the transmitter, the data will travel through this optical fiber to the receiver. And student will learn about different characteristics of this optical fiber, like numerical aperture, like different kinds of losses they can calculate from this experiment, as well as they can find out the characteristics of this laser, like BI characteristics of this laser, the power characteristics of this laser. And we have a similar setup using LED as the source. This is a digital communication lab. So we all know that we are living in the digital era. The communications are being driven with digital data. So in this lab, we have a line coder trainer kit, through which the data are digitally transmitted to the receiver. And while transmitted to the receiver, the digital data are being transmitted through different waveforms. And in this lab, students will learn about different kinds of waveforms like RJ, NRJ, line code, like AMI, OLAL, etc. This is our analog to digital converter and digital to analog converter trigger kit. We all know that in the digital communications process, the data have to be transferred from analog to digital and again digital to analog. So in this lab, students will learn about how to convert the data from analog to digital and digital to analog. This is our carrier modulation trainer kit. So in this trainer kit, in this lab, the students will learn about different type of modulation techniques available in the market. So once the data is converted to the digital domain, that could be transmitted through this modulator or through this transmitter sections. There are different kinds of transmission techniques like FSK, ASK, PSK. And once it is received at the receiver, the students can see or observe the data formats in the DSO. This is the digital oscilloscope. Here they can study or measure different types of parameters from the waveforms. This is our analog communication lab. So in this analog communication lab, we have amplitude modulated modulation trainer kit. In this amplitude modulation trainer kit, the students will learn about different kinds of amplitude modulation techniques like DSB, SSB. Now after the wave is amplitude modulated, that wave will be transmitted through this antenna to the receiver. In the receiver section, we have super heterodyne receiver. The same receiver used in the radio broadcasting or the radio receiver system as well as in the television system. And in this CRO, the way the students will see the wave, and from that wave they can calculate modulation index, they can calculate power of the transmitted wave.